Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. We are back sa ating pagsosolve ng quadratic inequalities into variables. Ayan. So in my last video, I tackled or I presented to you the steps in solving quadratic inequalities in one variable. So now I'm going to present to you quadratic inequalities into variables. So we're given here a quadratic inequality. Let me just insert an inequality symbol. Let us take greater than. So y is greater than x squared plus 4x plus 3. In one of my videos, I also presented to you how to graph a quadratic function. So yun po, susundan po natin yung steps na yon. Kung gusto po ninyo, pakiclick na lamang po yung link na andito sa screen. So, pinaka-importante po sa lahat, vertex. So, yun po yung pinakagitna na coordinates or coordinate natin. Ang gagawin po natin, kailangan po nating gawin siya na quadratic function. Para po magkaroon po tayo ng gabay sa ating graph. Hindi magkaiba po kasi ang pag-solve ng quadratic inequalities in one variable compared doon sa quadratic inequalities in two variables. Sa two variables po kasi, gumagamit po tayo ng x and y axis. So, let's do this. So, y equals x squared plus 4x plus 3. Using our formula for the coordinates of the vertex is equivalent, or the x coordinate, okay, is equivalent to negative b over 2a. So let us substitute negative 4 all over 2a. That is 2 times, 1. Then let's simplify. That will become negative 2. For the y-axis, for ac minus b squared, let's substitute. Value of a is 1, value of c is 3, then minus b squared, b is 4, and close that in a parenthesis, all over 2a, 4a. 4a. There we go. This is 12. So that's 12. This is 16. 16. And so 12 minus 16, that's negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 4, that is equivalent to 1, or negative 1. So there we go. There we have it. Negative 2 and negative 1. Let's graph. So, ayan. Nandito po yung negative 2, negative 1. So, susundan lamang po natin yung ginawa natin or yung steps para sa solving quadratic sa graphing quadratic functions. So, this will be negative 1, 0. This will be 0, I believe. 0 yan. Then, this will be 3. Negative 3. Then, negative 4. Positive 3 yung y. Then, 0. Ayan. So, let's plot the points. There we go. Ayan. Now, Before you connect the lines, let us take a look first, or let's go back to our original inequality. So y is greater than x squared plus 4x plus 3. Kapag greater than po, o kaya ay less than, ang ginamit na quadratic inequalities, ang gagamitin po natin na line para i-connect po yung mga dots or yung mga coordinates ay broken lines. Ayan. Kapag less than or equal to, o kaya naman ay greater than or equal to, basta may equal to doon sa baba. Ayan, is solid line or straight line. Hindi po siya broken. So dahil po greater than ang ginamit, gagamit po tayo dito ng broken lines. Ayan. Broken line. Okay, there we have it. Ayan, lagyan na lang po natin ng arrow to signify that it will continue to that direction. Now, nasaan po dyan yung solution? Yung solution or yung solution set para po ma-satisfy yung inequality natin. Kapag greater than po, basta may greater than, ayan, o kaya ito, greater than or equal to, ang ating solution set po ay nandito po sa taas ng line. Okay? Anong line yung tinutukoy ko? Ito po. Yan. Yung line na ginawa natin para mapag-connect yung mga dots. So, tatandaan po natin, pag greater than, ang solution set po natin ay nandito po sa taas ng line. So, isi-shade nyo lamang po yung graph or yung mga parts ng ating graph na kung saan matatagpuan yung mga points na nasa taas ng ating line. Okay po? So, yun ay kung greater than. Pero kapag less than naman po, halimbawa papalitan po natin yan. So, erase lang po natin ito. Ayan, gawin nating less than. Ayan. Okay. So, dito po sa baba. Baba naman po ng lines ng ating graph. Ayan. Lahat po ng points na nandyan, basta satisfy nila yung mga yung quadratic inequality natin. So let's prove. So we'll be using y is less than x squared plus 4x plus 3. If you notice, one of the points na shadean ay itong origin. So 0, 0 po yung coordinates. Meaning, the value of y is 0 and the value of x is also 0. So 0 is less than 0 squared plus 4 times 0 plus 3. Ayan. So dahil 0 na nga yan, 0 squared is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, what's left is 3. Is 0 less than 3? Ayan. So tama po, na-satisfy na yung ating quadratic inequality. So ganun lamang po kadali ang pag-graph or pag-solve ng quadratic inequalities involving two variables. Sana po may natutunan kayo, and I hope na kung meron kayong katanungan or meron kayong mga suggestions na topics tungkol sa mathematics, you could comment them. So that will be all. Thank you.